Hi Data, so today we're going to be doing your assessment for Lab 8. We're going to be doing the Rockport test, which is a fast walking test. We're going to do 1 mile. It's going to be measuring your VO2 max and your endurance. We're going to start, I'm going to have you walk as fast as you can until you hit 1 mile. We're going to check your HR at the end and beforehand. We're going to check your distance, and then we'll calculate all of that. Do you have any questions before we get started? Perfect. Okay, good job, Jada. So you hit your mile. You did it in 18 minutes and 22 seconds. Your resting heart rate was 80, and your heart rate after the fact was 94. So we used the calculation for VO2 max that we found in the Advanced Fitness Assessment book. And using those calculations, your VO2 max was 36.6 milliliters per kilometers a minute. Okay, hi Jada. Now we're going into the 45-second squat test. So this is going to be measuring your cardiovascular endurance, and we're going to be doing your VO2 max again. I'm going to start by taking your resting heart rate. So we'll have you sit for 2 minutes. We'll take your heart rate, and then we're going to start with the test. So for the test, you're going to be standing with your feet shoulder width apart. I'm going to have a metronome. I have the app on my phone. I'm going to set it to 80 beats per minute, okay? So then you're going to have 45 seconds. I want you to try to get 30 squats in those 45 seconds while keeping to the beat of the metronome. Okay. Make sure when you're doing your squat that your arms are out straight in front of you. And then I want you to try to squat as low as you can to where your feet, you're parallel to your legs. Okay. Do you have any questions before we get started? Okay, Jada, so I have the metronome app set up right here. I'm gonna start it, and then I'll count you to 45 seconds, and you're just gonna try to get your 30 squats in as fast as you can. Yep. All right, ready? And 45 seconds. 30. Boom, right on time. Okay, after the end of your 45-second squat test, your calculated VO2 max was 33.6 milliliters per kilogram per minute, which is really good. Your time in 45 seconds, you're able to do all 30 squats, so awesome job. Your initial heart rate, 2 minutes of resting, was 75. Right after it was 94, and then 1 minute after rest, it was 90. So awesome job.